Horlick center is seeming to have trouble today, as a lot of snaps have been right on the ground. I think there are some control issues going on that Horlick side. Oak Creek lining up in formation. Fletcher running and short of a first down. That'll set up about 3rd and 3 on the play.
Take that ball away. T to the A to the K to the E. Take that ball away. T to the A to the K to the E. Take that ball away. T to the A to the K to the E. Take that ball away.
Fletcher, 3rd and 2. Wiggins in the backfield. The Horlick's best running back. Running. He's got a first down.
Oh, and more.
And more. At least 5 more yards on the play. As he just piles into Oak Creek defense on the play.
I'm going to tell you what, if Horlick wants to come back in this game, they got to keep running the ball. As much as the time will keep running, they got to keep going with that.
So they'll set up 1st and 10 from about the 30-yard line of Horlick. 38-yard line. Clock ticking down here in the second quarter, about just under 5 minutes remaining. Fletcher gets a snap, running into Wiggins. Right back in the backfield.
Who was that on the tackle? That was Aiden Metz.
Looks to be Aiden Metz on the play. Drew Brom assisting.
What is the second page?
The second page? That's Horlick stuff.
Horlick looks to be passing here.
Deshaun Griffin, number 31.
There looks to be some miscommunication here between Horlick's sideline and the quarterback. As you see, he's just yelling towards the sideline. We got 2nd and 9. Fletcher runs it to. Oh, he's rolling out. Fletcher over the middle. Pass is caught for a first down. Pass caught by
Cameron McInnish.
Pass caught by Cameron McInnish for a first down.
It's a pretty interesting number for a wide receiver, number 97.
You don't see that very often, no matter what league. Just like you don't see a quarterback's number over 19. It's one of those things that you just don't. Looks to be Horlick. Fletcher's going to run. Kellen Wazolowski on the play. Helping. He's going to push through for about 4 to 5 yards on the play.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised either because Fletcher's their number 2 rusher
Fletcher's number 2 rusher
on the team. Just like Cade Polkowski, but Cade he's been outstanding with his ability.
Cade had like a 35-yard run today.
More than that, like 50. Let's go, dude!
1st and 10 for Horlick. Fletcher looking at star wide receiver number 8 on the right. He almost false started again.
They're taking a while to snap the ball.
Fletcher, and they're going to call timeout again. I think we're seeing Horlick's having they must have some really bad miscommunication on the field. As you can see, this is like the 7th time today they've taken over 30 seconds to snap the ball and had to call timeout. It's not, the miscommunication over there is key, and we will head to a break for 15 seconds. Welcome back to Racine Horlick High School. Both sides break the huddle. We want to thank Game Mike and Max Preps. Oh, man. I think a car crash. Anyways,
Oh yeah.
moving back a few yards. That was really odd. I think a car crash right outside the stadium. Wow. Don't get that very often, or else it was something else. Anyways. I work with 0 timeouts remaining, just coming to 2 minutes left in the half. Horlick student section seems to be jumping around a lot over there. It'll be 3rd and 4. We seem to have a quieter student section now. Horlick's doing the wave over there, I see. A lot of teams do that when they tend to be losing. That made everyone speechless. I'll say that. Anyways, coming back to the game. Fletcher. He's breaking the huddle. Fletcher gets the snap. Oh, he's got a fumble up slap. Put back on the play. It'll be 4th down. Once again, Horlick snapper having a bunch of problems back there.
They should probably go for it again here.
They had to go. They only have a few seconds left. They got about under a minute left in the half. They kind of have to go for it. Yeah, they're going to be going for it. They're keeping all their offense on the field. 4th and 3 on the play. Pass over the middle. Oh, my goodness. What a play by Horlick there. As Orr Creek was set up for the blitz, he threw it right through the blitz.
Nobody
complete.
was on number 97, which caused him to get that big burst.
I'll be honest, that was a really good play by Horlick on the play.
McGinnis on that catch again. He's been pretty good as a recent run, I think. Oh, good stop.
Brought down on the play. Horlick's got to hurry up, though. We got about 20 seconds remaining. The clock is running. Horlick's got no timeouts remaining. They got to run.
The time is still ticking. 10 seconds left. They're letting the clock roll.
They're letting the clock roll. 6, 5.
This will probably be the last play. Oh,
Last
no
play.
one's there.
Incomplete. 2 seconds remaining. Horlick's got a chance for one last shot to the end zone.
One last play. It sucks because they don't have a clock on that side.
2 seconds remaining in the half. Horlick's going to kick the field. They're going to kick the field goal. The kick is up, and it's going to be good by Horlick. And we will head into halftime with a 12-3 score. Well played defense by both teams in the first half, and we will take you to halftime. We will go on to game break for about 10-15 minutes.